Animals are full of surprises, from dancing birds to fish that spit to catch prey. Some animal behaviors are so absurd they seem made up. But trust us, they're real. Today we're diving into the weirdest, most unbelievable animal antics that will leave you scratching your head.
Let's kick things off with the spectacular bird of paradise, also known as nature's ultimate showman. These birds, found in the rainforests of New Guinea, are masters of the mating dance. With their brilliant feathers and unbelievably coordinated moves, these guys put on a show that could rival a Broadway performance. During mating season, each male goes all out, transforming into a feathered spectacle, aiming to charm and impress the ever-selective female. And believe it or not, every single dance step, head bob, and feather flip is carefully rehearsed. For these birds, looking good isn't just a hobby, it's a matter of survival.
Imagine waking up every day and needing to dance like your life depends on it. No pressure, right? I mean, dating is tough. Enough without the added pressure of perfect choreography.
Now, let's talk about those feathers. A male bird of paradise doesn't just flap around randomly. He makes sure to show off every shade and angle. Their feathers create dazzling patterns like living pieces of art. But it's more than a beauty, it's a fitness display. Bright, healthy feathers mean a healthy bird, and a female will only choose the most impressive dancer to pass on her genes. This entire production can take years to master as young males practice tirelessly, watching adults and refining their moves until they're ready for the spotlight. So, the next time you think of a fancy dance routine, remember the birds of paradise. They remind us that sometimes nature is the best performer of all.
Next up, we have the Mantis shrimp, a marine creature that may look small but packs a punch so powerful it's straight out of a superhero movie. This colorful shrimp has the strongest punch in the animal kingdom, hitting with such explosive speed that it can create cavitation bubbles. Cavitation bubbles are tiny temporary bubbles that form in water when something moves really fast. Let me explain it. The mantis shrimp punches the crab so fast that it creates an area of extremely low pressure in the water. In this low pressure, the water instantly vaporizes, almost like it's boiling. These tiny, temporary bubbles are called cavitation bubbles, but these bubbles don't last long. They quickly pop or collapse. When they do, they create a small shockwave, almost like a mini explosion in the water. It's cool, right? This collapse happens so fast and with such intense energy, it generates heat, sometimes almost as hot as the surface of the sun. Yes, you heard that right. This shrimp can punch with solar level heat. The mantis shrimp's punch is no small feat. It strikes so fast. The acceleration of the mantis shrimp's claw is similar to the initial speed of a .22 caliber bullet upon being fired. This powerful strike allows the mantis shrimp to crack the shells of crabs, clams, and other armored sea creatures that most predators avoid. Did you know the punch is so powerful it can even shatter aquarium glass? For the mantis shrimp, this punching power is key to survival, helping it to hunt and defend itself against larger predators. Its hammer-like appendages work like clubs, launching with precision and force, making it one of the ocean's most formidable fighters. With its mighty punch and stunning colors, the mantis shrimp reminds us that sometimes the smallest creatures can pack the biggest surprises. And in this shrimp's case, it really is survival of the strongest and fastest punch.
Meet the Archerfish, sharpshooter of the animal world. While most fish stick to an underwater prey, the Archerfish has evolved a one-of-a-kind hunting skill. It spits powerful jets of water to knock insects off branches above, a feat of precision that takes serious skill. And we're not talking a few centimeters. This fish can hit target up to 3 meters away with jaw-dropping accuracy. Now, let's break down the mechanics of this impressive spit. Archerfish changes the shape of its mouth and uses tongue pressure to shoot out a focused stream of water, adjusting distance and the angle of refraction in water. The fish calculates all this instantly, hitting its target dead on almost every time. For the Archerfish, this skill means food, turning it into a true sniper of the stream.
Next time you're struggling with a squirt gun, just remember there's a fish out there that's basically a sniping legend.
With scales like this, Archerfish has truly carved out a unique niche in the animal kingdom. Precision, patience, and perfect aim. This fish has it all.
Forget art school. Pufferfish are nature's little artists. To attract a mate, male pufferfish spend days crafting intricate circular patterns in the sand, sometimes up to 2 meters in diameter. Every ridge, every swirl is carefully shaped, turning the seafloor into an underwater gallery. And he is doing it all to impress a potential mate.
Imagine spending days crafting the perfect art piece, only to have it judged in seconds. This fish has nerves of steel.
To create this work of art, the pufferfish uses its fins to sweep and sculpt the sand into precise geometric patterns. He adjusts every detail, aiming for perfect symmetry and beauty. If the female approves, she'll lay her eggs in the center of the circle, completing his mission. The stakes are high. If his art doesn't impress, he'll be back to square one.
Next, we're diving into the impressive world of crows, a bird species with intelligence levels that have surprised scientists worldwide, known for their cunning and adaptability. Crows are a part of a special group of animals that actually use tools. Yes, these birds have figured out that if you can't reach food, you can just grab a stick and make it work for you. The crow's tool use isn't just random behavior, it's a calculated, strategic action that showcases their advanced problem-solving skills. Studies have shown that some crows understand how to bend a piece of wire into a hook or snap a twig just the right length to retrieve food that's hidden in tricky places. And it doesn't just stop there. Crows in different parts of the world use unique tools and strategies suited to their environment, almost like they have regional tool preferences.
Imagine being a crow in a crow classroom, learning the ins and outs of which tools work best for which food. Excuse me, Professor Crow, can I use this twig for snacks in hard-to-reach places, or is it just for cracking shells?
But the intelligence of crows goes beyond just using tools. They can plan ahead, solve puzzles, and even remember human faces, especially those who have been kind to them or not so kind. In fact, they'll sometimes leave little presents, such as shiny pebbles or trinkets, for someone they like. And let's not forget their teamwork skills. Crows will often work together, whether in defense or foraging, communicating with each other through a series of calls that researchers are only beginning to understand. With intelligence like this, it's no wonder many cultures consider crows to be mysterious and wise animals. They challenge our ideas about the natural world and remind us that intelligence comes in many shapes and sizes, even in creatures we might not expect.
So, the next time you see a crow, just remember, it might be a genius in disguise.
Whether it's bending a wire, using a stick, or working as a team, crows continue to amaze scientists and bird watchers alike. From dancing for love to spitting with precision, the animal kingdom is full of bizarre and mind-blowing behaviors that remind us just how incredible nature can be. Which of these wild animal antics was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you love discovering the absurd, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another crazy tale from our channel. See you in the next video.